Welcome to the Yummy Burger Made with Plants online course. So in the course you will discover 15 recipes, including some of the really important elements and components to make delicious vegan burger. To start with, you will first discover how to make a classic sesame seed burger bun without eggs and dairy. Moving on, you will be revealed to the techniques and tips on how to make really common, budget-friendly plant-based ingredients like tofu, mushrooms, tempeh into really delicious, juicy, tasty burger patty. Then we'll move on to some of the condiments like mayonnaise, barbecue sauce. Other than that, the course book also comes with 3 bonus recipes. By completing this course, I really hope that you'll be able to make a vegan burger that's really juicy, tasty, yummy, and truly satisfying. Thank you for joining this course. I hope that you will enjoy the journey of exploring the unlimited possibility of plant-based ingredients and the technique of making really yummy, satisfying burger without any animal products. Now I'll see you in a tutorial video. Bye for now.